Hi guys, how are you all? So I am Asad Sheikh from Iqonic Design, and in this video we are going to make a WooCommerce site that is Euphoria. It's gonna be elegant and gorgeous that you won't be able to take your eyes off, and technically speaking it is the complete site without sparing any strings open. It is a complete theme navigating the workflow from choosing a product, adding it to the cart, pricing page, and even you have a like button for the products within. It has everything a WooCommerce site needs, with the topping of beauty, bug-free codes, and modern design, which is trending in the WooCommerce market. We have specially crafted Euphoria for developers who are seeking for the design delight. It's for the web agency who want to deliver some extra to their client, or even an end user who want to create their own fashion store from our theme. And we have made our customization so easy that it's just like a child play. You can choose 4+ highly purpose-driven home pages with multiple meaningful inner pages. With the bloat-free design and code, Euphoria is an unbeatable professional theme. Built with live and trending technologies like WPML, Contact from 7 Slider Revolution, Elementor, which will ease your work while you're customizing your web. So let's get into this video. Let's start customizing. So go to appearance and then to theme, and I will click here on add new. Then we can upload the theme from here. And further you can activate it from here. Now go to plugins and install and activate all the mandatory plugins you need, and this is the most important step, so don't just forget it. Once it's done, you can see the wonderful and precise work we have done with this theme. And if you want the same feel for your website, you can use our demo pages. And to do that, we can just go to one-click demo import, then click here, and this will take some time. Meanwhile, you can just subscribe to our channel, like this video. What are you waiting for? Do it now. Now our data has been imported, and you can see the wonderful and stunning work we have done with it. This is our theme. Now without wasting any time, let's just customize it. Going in the Elementor, we can see that the banner can be changed with Slider Revolution for more flexibility of us. So I will just do some of the basic customization, like there I am changing the content. And now I am changing the photo from here. And this is what we have changed from now, and it is looking very nice. And you can also try it on your own. And in the same way, you can change further pages in Elementor. This is your canvas now and you are an artist. Now going to the key features, we can customize the stuff like logo, loader, header, footer, typography. So I am going to change the logo by going to the layout and then changing main header with the Elementor, because the logo is part of the header too. Like here I am changing the logo. And this is what our logo looks like. Now I am changing the header too, and I am playing around with the options to get the stunning output. And this is what our header looks like. Now clicking on Euphoria, I can change the option for typography. And here it's all done. It's literally like a remote control for your site, and once you are done, you can do whatever you want, like hosting a web, giving it to a client, or even adding it to your portfolio. So that's where we end our go through video. See, I told you in a couple of minutes we have made the beautiful site that will satisfy users. And guys, grab this theme and get the lifetime update with it. And if you have any queries regarding this theme, you can just tell us and we will relieve you from it. So till then, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hasta la vista.